Hey there, I'm Brooke with WTI. And as a mom, the only thing worse than having a sick kid is trying to get them to take medicine. But since we started using this Sambucol Black Elderberry antiviral flu care syrup, this hasn't been an issue at all. My son actually asked to take it, which still kind of blows my mind. I love that it supports immune health, so I don't have to wait until we're already sick to start using it. And when we do get sick, it helps with so many of those cold and flu symptoms like cough, fever, fatigue, headaches, congestion, sore throat, body aches, all of it. Anything that helps shorten how long we're down for is such a lifesaver in our house. And another big win for me is the ingredient list. It's short, and I like knowing there's not a lot of unnecessary additives that we're taking. The consistency isn't too thick, it's not overly sweet, and my son or myself has no problem taking it at all. If you're looking for something to have on hand during this sick season, I highly recommend this Sambucol syrup. It tastes great, I don't have to fight my kid to take it, and that peace of mind means everything. And that's my point of view.